Yesterday, I did a video on ACLS, and I shared with you where I was going to try to buy it, and then shared with you where I thought in fact, it was going to end up at the end of the year, or end of 2024, based on the projections of the Wall Street analysts. So, but I wanted to take you to my trading views chart and show you exactly what is happening. Remember, I told you that this was a gap. This was a candlestick gap. That is to say, it had a high here, and then it opened the next day up and created a gap between the top of this candlestick and the bottom of that candlestick. That creates a gap. Historically, that gap is always filled. Or not always, but for a great percentage of the time. And as you can see today, the gap was filled. Okay, so our price target is within reach, and that's down here at about $122 a share. So the other thing I want you to be aware of on TradingViews is you see this lightning strike there. It's telling you of some headlines that have come out, and let's just kind of look at them and see if they actually have any effect. It says here on December the 12th that the stock is attracting attention, and here is why. So that was on December the 12th. So let's go back and look on our calendar. Here is the 12th, and as you can see, as a result of that article, that stock moved up. Now then we have this other article, and it says Bank of America Securities downgrades Axcelis Technologies to a neutral from a buy, and that was 5 days ago. So since today is the 20th, that would have been on the 15th. And where are we? And that is right there. Okay, so you can see when Bank of America downgraded it, that's when it started to move down. So that gave me indication that where I want to buy it is probably going to happen, and that's right there at, as I say, at that that support level. This is where the internet is scanned, and we know that there are a lot of buy orders in at that price. So it will probably be brought down to our 120, 122, where we've put our buy price in. That's how this works, and that's how it becomes predictable. Now, the other side of it is you can look back and you can see it's since roughly October the 26th, so it's approaching 2 months. It's been trading in this channel. Notice how it traded in this channel for a like period of time. So my anticipation is sometime probably by the end of this week or the first of next week, we're going to buy in. And then if you'll look at the financials, this is a growing company. And what do I mean when I say a growing company? Well, let's look at their financials, and I'll be very specific. Here again on my sheets, I go to ACL's income statement, and here it is. This is my net sheets giving me a review of the past history of ACLS. As you can see, in 2018, they were about a $442 billion company, and they have more than doubled that over the last couple of years. Their gross profits have gone from $179 billion to all the way up to 401. Their net income has increased from 45 billion to $183 billion. That's some phenomenal growth. Then let's look at their balance sheet. Their total current assets have grown from just under 400 to almost $900 billion. Total assets then have just about doubled over that same period of time. Then the other thing I like to look at is what is their debt. Their debt has stayed pretty constant, but this is the number I like to look at, their net debt. If in fact they paid off all their debt, how much net assets would they still have? They could pay off their debt and still have $140 billion left. That's a solid company. That's what we want to invest in. As I said in yesterday's video, I gave you the price that I think I will sell it for in 2024. So go back and watch that video, and I really want you to understand you can, if you will train yourself and if you will learn, or if you will become a part of our channel, you can predict where these prices are going to go. You can read the articles. As you can see, they do that regularly on TradingViews. There's a discount for signing up for TradingViews. It gets a little pricey, but that's an option for you. So again, ACLS, learn about it, study it, and you make your decision.